Hey guys, I wanted to first of all get on here to create a channel where I could show off all my new Stella Dot stuff. I'm so excited. I also wanted to create a YouTube channel so that I could post all to my different pages and again show you guys all the fun stuff that I'm going to be doing. I'm so excited to do this. I've been dying to do it for the longest time and decided just to take the plunge. So today what came in the mail was the business in a box package. So I thought I would open this up and show you guys. Now if I can find my scissors, I will open this bad boy up. There they are. I thought I had everything ready. Okay, so excited. Let's see how this opens. Right here. I'm on spring break this week, which is why I've got a little more energy than I normally do in the evening time. I'm normally not a night owl. I like the morning time, but I feel a little rejuvenated this week being on spring break. All right, let's see. And I think I've got it turned around backwards, so let's see. I want to make sure I open it up the right way. Hope everybody's been doing well. Hopefully we're getting some warmer weather. I'm getting really, really tired of the cold weather. All right, here goes. All right, so first open it. My lighting's gonna get all wonked out here. I'm gonna open it this way. So it says, "Are you ready to rock?" Oh, that's cute. Oh, hey, girl. So the first thing that I see when I open it up is this. And I'm gonna slide the plastic off so I can show you. So cute. Okay, so I have the little ring sizers here, so I can take those to the trunk shows. This is about Hoopla, which is so cute. I know this is going to be backwards for you guys, but this is a little display for all the different jewelry, so I can prop this up. It sits up like a frame, and I can show off the jewelry. And there's another one, and it's sort of like a canvas material, so that's super cute. I kind of want to have it out in my bedroom, to be honest. Alright, so the next thing I see are, it says Covet by Stella Dot, so it's just got some little booklets there. This is, you know what, I don't know what it is, so let's open it. Everything looks really cute, though. So it's just like a little pamphlet, like a little quick little pamphlet. I might keep these in my purse just to pass them out on the go. But it just has like the jewelry inside in the bags. Love everything. So cute. So I love that. You know what? Let's just open the Covet too. Now that we're opening everything. I've been dying to tear into this. I was tracking the package on FedEx all week long. But the shipping was really fast. Didn't take long at all. Okay, so here's the little Covet booklet. So you open it up. It's just got different accessories, little bags, clutches. Really cool stuff. Love all of these. Haven't actually seen that bag yet. I'm dying to get like one of those initials. Like, I love that A. How cute would that be? Love it. Alright, I'm going to set these. Another package of those, which is good. I'm sure you can never have enough of those. That's so cute. It says Girls Night with Benefits. How cute. The pop-up shop is at your place. So this is just the perks of sharing Stella Dot as a hostess. So just like a little brochure to give to the hostesses. This one. There's another one. Let's see. I guess I can open these up. I'd love to create like my trunk show bag. I've been looking on YouTube at the different bags and stuff that you can have ready to go to trunk shows. And I think it would be really cool just to have everything organized. As a teacher, I like to be organized and have everything put together. So of course I'm all over that with my Stella Dot stuff. Okay, it says, love it, wear it, get paid to share it. Um, so this is just, again, shows off the jewelry, but there's a lot of great information in here. Just about Stella Dot. I love that they show like actual women. Just different quotes and stuff. Very cool. Cool stuff. Love it. More of the same girls' night with benefits. These are like the customer order forms, like the paper ones, in case somebody doesn't want to do online. This is something I can set up on like the table, so it's a little sign. I kind of want to get a little frame for it though. It'd be so cute. Yay! And then these are like the catalogs. So exciting. So I kind of want to open these up too, because I know tomorrow is a launch day. I've got some exciting stuff coming up. So actually these earrings right here, I'm so excited because I ordered those. They're so cute. I love that they partnered up with Rebecca Minkoff. I think that's really cool too. Their bags. How awesome are their bags? Super cute. Love them. This bag down here I also ordered, and I am dying to get my hands on it. So this is just like the catalog that shows off all the amazing jewelry. So cute. In love, in love, in love. And then this is just some pocket folders, which again, teacher, love it. I never have enough folders. Oh my gosh, that was so exciting. I love it. So it really is just like your business in a box. Everything you need to get started. So I hope you guys enjoyed looking at that and opening it with me. I thought this would be kind of fun to do to get my my business going, and I can't wait to look back in like a year, 2 years, 5 years, and see the video where I first started. I think it's going to be so fun. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to me. I hope you're as excited as I am to hear about all the fun stuff and get your hands on some goodies. I am going to play around with this some more, but I know you guys don't want to watch, so I'm going to jump off, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!